Hi, it's Legionero back with another video. I would like to say welcome to all of my new subscribers. Thank you so much for subscribing to the channel and everyone who keeps coming back each time I post a new video. So I have been playing around in Midjourney using their Niji 6 version, and I have been getting some incredible images. I wanted to come on and share some prompts with you all. I will make sure whatever prompts I use in this video, I will link them below. But I wanted to show you some of the beautiful images I've been getting using Midjourney Niji 6. Now I do have access to Midjourney Alpha, but that's Niji 6 as well. And so I just go over here to Discord and because it'll be in both places. It'll be in Midjourney Alpha as well as Discord because I have made over 1,000 images. All right, so here's some of the images I want to show you real quick. Here's some of the images that I've been getting. One thing about Midjourney that always bothers me a little bit is the hair, but it's been doing a great job with the hair as well. With these images, see it? Isn't that beautiful? Updo, so nice, flowing curls. And I also been trying to work out getting full body images. So in my prompts, I always like to say displaying, where is it here? Showcasing her full body and unique outfit. But if I'm some of my other prompts, I will put, let's see, let me see if I can find it here. Displaying full body and entire outfit, including shoes. And a lot of times that'll get me at least one image. That's a full body image. So if I scroll up, you'll see I get at least one, sometimes two images that are full body images. So yeah, so I want to come on here and do a couple of prompts and see what I come up with. Now, many moons ago, I bought a prompt guide off of Etsy. It's not on there anymore, but with that prompt guide, it came with a prompt writer. So I used that prompt writer. I did the initial prompt, just taking bits and pieces from different prompt guides. So I did the initial prompt of what I wanted to see. And then I went to that prompt writer and it wrote out prompts for me based on the initial prompt. I did a video on ChatGPT showing you all how to get ChatGPT 3.5 to write prompts for you. I'll try to remember to link that video either in the end card or in the description box below. So here's a prompt. Design an eye-catching 3D cartoon artwork featuring an African American woman with captivating almond-shaped eyes and a joyful smile. Her hair is styled in intricate cornrows embellished with colorful beads, reflecting creativity and cultural heritage. Adorned in a trendy and chic kente cloth dress, she radiates confidence and sophistication, displaying her full figure and fashionable ensemble, complete with matching shoes against a modern and minimalist background. All right. So while that renders, all right, I had to get my mac and cheese out of the oven. So here are the images from that prompt. Some really, really beautiful images. These, I guess, could be considered cornrow, but I love the hairstyles anyway. I did get one full body image. All right, so let's try another prompt. Grab this one. And again, I'll link these prompts in the description box below, whatever I use in this video. Right, and this one is create a striking 3D cartoon illustration of a South Asian woman with expressive eyes and a joyful smile. Her hair is styled elegantly in a bun with delicate flowers, exuding grace and charm. She is dressed in a traditional, is that saree? Is that how you say it? Forgive me if I'm saying it wrong. With intricate embroidery showcasing cultural richness and elegance. The artwork showcases her full body attire and accessories set against a vibrant and colorful backdrop. All right, so here are the images. Very beautiful images. Beautiful outfits, beautiful hair. Okay, so let's try another prompt. Now, I'm not going to read all these prompts to you. That's probably annoying. But this prompt has featuring a Latina woman. So we'll see what that renders. All right. So here are the images. Midjourney rendered. Again, lovely outfits, beautiful hair. So let's try another one. So I do have a newsletter sign up. I can't remember if I've mentioned this in other videos, but I do have a newsletter sign up. And if you want different prompts for Midjourney, ChatGPT, whenever I learned other platforms like Leonardo, different platforms, I will share those things in my newsletter. I do plan on doing a newsletter once a month, and it will include free prompts and free images. So if you are interested in that, the newsletter sign up link is in the description box below. I promise I won't bombard you with a bunch of emails or different things like that. All right. So here's some other images. I'm loving these outfits. This one I got a full body image. I love that jumpsuit. If you follow, I know there are some people here that follow me on my sewing channel, and y'all know I love a good jumpsuit. This jumpsuit is amazing. I like it. All right, and here is the next set of images that I got. Now remember, you can take these prompts and you can modify them in any way that you like. You can change the outfit, you can change the eyes, you can change the jewelry, the hair, whatever it is you want to do to these prompts. Um, whatever your imagination will allow, you can change these prompts. Oh, loving her hair. This is a cute outfit. I would try to sew something like this. Oh, this is cute. Now, when you ask Midjourney for dynamic poses or, use words like that with the pose, it's definitely going to give you, it's going to pose. It's going to give and strike a pose. So let's try one last prompt. And again, this is Midjourney. I have the $10 plan on Midjourney. And I think I have 300 hours. I don't know what that equals to as far as images, but it's more than enough for me. I think I've only used all of my hours twice, and I've had Midjourney since last year. I think I've had Midjourney. Um, so you do get quite a few images um, with the $10 plan. I just can't right now. I can't afford to go up any higher than the $10 plan, and this works for me. So, and I'm loving these images with the Niji 6 version that I'm getting. So here's one last prompt. Really, really nice image. I like this outfit. And I got a whole body image. Boom. One thing you do have to watch with this version are well, a lot of times with the hands, you see how, scroll down, her fingers are kind of like pointy. You're going to get that a lot with, what I find with this Niji, version. Um, but other than that, I mean, look at these images. Just beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful images. So that's what I wanted to come on and share with you. Again, I will add all of these prompts to the description box below. I will link the ChatGPT video where I talked about using ChatGPT 3.5 to write prompts for you. If I'm not mistaken, 4.0, I believe, can write prompts for you as well. I think that's some of the features are free with 4.0. So yeah, I'm not an affiliate of Midjourney. I just love using Midjourney. So I'm not, receiving any kickbacks or anything like that for showing you this. I just love, love, love. Um, I love Midjourney, and I love this version of it. Beautiful images. They look like brides, right? All right. I also love Midjourney for clip art. I've made a ton of clip art that's in my shop on Midjourney as well because I love, love, love um, the clip art images that I get from Midjourney. And these aren't some of the prompts that I used in the video, but I just wanted to show you the images. Look at her hair. Ah, I like this outfit. I wish it was full body, but it's still beautiful as well. Her hands look nice. Well, that's enough of me rambling. If you like this video, click the thumbs up button. Don't forget to subscribe and also hit the notification bell so you'll be notified each time I post a new video. And if you're interested in free prompts, not just Midjourney, but also ChatGPT, and other things that I learned how to use and free images, don't forget to sign up for the newsletter. All right, I will see you in the next video.